Star Scouts are little children who brighten their homes with smile and good deeds. Each Star Scout has to make her father and mother, sister or brother happy every day. She has to keep herself brightly shining by being kind, helpful, and obedient. Do you promise to become such a Star Scout to your home?
Yes! North Star, I do!
Very well. Girls, you have come to the right places. But before you join the cluster, you have to make a promise. Will you say your promise now?
Yes! North Star, I do! Scout sign! Star Scout promise. Star Scout promise. I promise to do my best. I promise to do my best. To love God and my country. To love God and my country. To help other people every day. To help other people every day. Especially those at home. Especially those at home. Hands down.
Very good.
Good job, Maya.
And now may we proceed to the magic carpet ceremony. The magic carpet is the symbol of the Star Girl Scout troop. Star Girl Scouts use it during troop meetings, ceremonies, and other activities. It is a circular navy blue piece of cloth with 3 white stars of different sizes at the center, representing North Star, Morning Star, and Big Star. Let us now witness the Star Scouts in their magic carpet ceremony. Let me call in the cluster starlight.
I promise to do my best.
The starlight shining through brave and helpful to all of you. We're the little bright star, bright star, bright star. We're the little bright star, spreading the magic carpet.
Cluster Star B.
Nice. Maya.
Here we are, the jolly starry, helping people where trouble keep. We're the little bright star, bright star, bright star. We're the little bright star.
Cluster Stardust.
Here we are, the stardust, on our way to help other people every day. We're the little bright star, bright star, bright star. We're the little bright star, spreading the
Cluster Star Glow.
Liliit.
We're the star glow, watch our glow, helpful, fruitful wherever we go. We're the little bright star, bright star, bright star. We're the little bright star, spreading the magic carpet.
Cluster Star Ray.
Here we are,
And now let us witness the Star Scouts in their Star Scout song. Thank you, Star Scouts. Please go back to your proper places. And now we've come to the most significant part of our ceremony, putting on hats and neckerchief.